Hello friends, my name is Ajit and I am from Jharkhand. Welcome to day 1 of 30-day sentence formation challenge series. In this series, we are going to learn how to frame sentences in our mind quickly while speaking English. What happens generally, most of the language learners, they are struggling with mind going blank. When they try to speak in English, words do not come to their mind, and because of this problem, they think, oh my god, English is not for us, English is for athletes and actors. So, in today's video, I am going to share with you how you can frame sentences like athletes and actors before speaking, because athletes and actors they follow ready made sentences. So you don't need a lot of stress in your mind while speaking. What happens generally when you are not sure what you are going to speak, what the other speaker would ask you in English, that time you are trembling like, oh my god, what is coming next? So you feel confused, right? So first of all, if you are consistent, if you are consistent language learner, then this series is only for you, because in 30 days I will deal with all of your problems and I can make you fluent in English. It's my guarantee to you. So my friend, please don't take it for granted. Okay, this series is only for you. I have designed in such a beautiful way for 30 days and I am going to become your English speaking partner. So if you personally want to connect with me, then I am gonna give you my WhatsApp link so that you can text me and I can talk with you in English over there and I can rectify your mistakes. Okay, but now let me tell you, every day our video duration will be 2 to 3 minutes maximum, 5 minutes. Okay, so that you will feel very safe. I will respect your time. I will not beat around the bush because I am not very talkative. I am literally a very shy person and I am very confident on camera only. I want to tell you, if you really want to become a fluent English speaker, then please watch me for the next 30 days. Please follow me, okay? And if you are like superficial language learner, if you do not have fighting a spirit, if you do not have determination, then I can't help you out, because your wish, your desire of being a fluent speaker only gives me inspiration to help you out from this problem. Okay friend, so please comment me below, and from tomorrow onwards, from day 2, I will directly come with the structure and the sentences so that you can master in next 30 days. And today was the intro only. I wanted to share with you what we are going to learn in this series, so we will have less confusion. We are not going to master a lot of things. We are going to master only the sentence formation. If you have limited vocabulary and you think, because of my limited vocabulary I am unable to speak English, that's why my mind goes blank, then you are wrong. Okay, I will help you out in such a beautiful way so that everybody will appreciate you in next 30 days. Okay, so God bless you, happy learning, and please comment me below, are you ready or not?